Okay, so now we will solve the next Leetcode SQL problem. Question number 627, swap salary. This is easy category and it is really easy. So if you want to give a try, you can click on the SQL schema, just copy paste all the things and go to your PG admin. So I also did the same. I just copy paste all this command, put the semicolon and it insert the data. So this is the data. So let's read the question. You have one table given salary and you have four columns: ID, name, sex, and salary. So you have ID, you have the name of the person, the sex of the person, and the salary of the person. What you need to do, you need to write a solution to swap all f and m values with a single update statement and no intermediate temporary table. So you don't need to create some any temporary table like CTE anything, just a single update statement. And you must write a single update statement. Do not write any select statement. Basically you need to update a table, so instead of the select command we need to write an update command. Okay, and what we need to do, we need to basically swap all f value and m value. So change all f value to m and vice versa. So wherever m, so here is m, we make it f. So here is f, we make it m. So here is m, we make it f, and here is f, we make it m. So it's easy. So how you are going to do, so we will use the update command. So update table name. What is the table name? Salary. Okay. What column we need to set? Sex column. Set sex. Okay. With what value we need to set? So the value is conditional. Basically, if it is male, we will put it female. If it is female, we put it male. So because update query will go line by line. So if it is go here, it read the m. So what should we put? Basically, it's condition. So sex is equal to, it's a conditional. So how you going to put condition? So case when sex column equal to f, or you can say equal to m, like m, then we are going to put f. Else we are going to put m. So if we have m, then we are going to put f. Otherwise we are going to put m, and then end. So that's it, and let's try to run that. So here A is M and B is F, C is M, D is F. So it should be updated. So it's updated. Let's try to select star from salary. So now A is F, B is M, C is F, D is M. So let's try this in the Leetcode. So let's try to submit it. So you could see all our 8 test cases has been accepted. So this is very really easy category problem. You can also give a try, and thank you.